Now welcome to your beautiful home. This is Bautista from metroguiderealty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in a private and nurturing community in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this well-designed home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a spacious floor area of 400 square meters and a generous lot area of 328 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, an elevated front porch area, an open concept living area, a dining area, a second floor den and living space, a master walk-in closet, a private patio area, a large landscape garden, maid's quarters, and a laundry and drying area. And all of this in a secure and established community near Alabang. Now let's begin the tour. The facade of the house with its white and blue colors give it a very minimalist, modern, and solid feel. And you also have a patch of greenery here in front, which is spacious enough such that you can put a car here. You can ride it up here as an additional parking space. And if you walk up here, there's a provision here where we're going to put a gate. And on this side, you have a spacious 2-car garage. What you see here are the final stages of construction. This house just finished about 1 to 2 weeks ago, and these are the final items that are going to be done in the next few days. What you see here are some of the storage units that you can use outside the house. And on this side, you see that we currently don't have a gate because you have a provision to put a gate or not put a gate because you already have a metal gate in terms of security leading to the side of the house here, which we will show you later. And then heading on up, you'll notice that the ground level of the house is elevated from the main street by about 3 to 4 feet. And you have a nice foyer space here, which is spacious enough for a table and a couple of chairs. So this is a great place to relax. It's almost exactly 12 noon right now. So it's quite cool here and very breezy. And here we have your main entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by a wide hallway with a high ceiling, and we're immediately given access to your first bedroom. Let's take a look. As I mentioned before, the house just finished construction. That's why we still have some materials here that are gonna get cleared out in the next few days. But you can see that it's spacious enough to be a guest room, a home office, a music room, an entertainment room, a den, and you can easily have a large bed here. And it's very well lit with 3 windows and being situated in the corner of the property. Now let's head on up. From here, you have a bathroom, which can serve as your powder room, but at the same time, the bathroom of your first floor bedroom. It already comes with a shower enclosure and even a nice vanity mirror. From the first floor bedroom, we now welcome you to your main living space. Your main living area is an open plan concept space, and as you can see, upon entering the area, you have a central space here, which is actually a supporting column for the property, but you can also use this as a great display area for different family mementos. And you see that you have a lot of space here for a large sala set, and it flows very naturally to your dining space, which is on this side of the ground floor. The dining area is spacious enough so that you can have a large table here for even 6 or 8 people. And you can open up these sliding doors leading out to a spacious patio and garden area. The garden and patio area is excellent for anyone looking for privacy and space for their family recreational area. It's quite rare for a block of a patio and garden to be this large for a lot cut like this. But the lot is quite spacious at 320 square meters, and you have a lot of space here for family recreation. One of the things that you can do is you can open up the sliding door on this side to enlarge your living space. And you can see that the garden area is also quite spacious, such that you can actually make this entire space from here up to here a lounge pool if you'd like after purchasing the house. So imagine when you open up your dining space, you have a small lounge pool on this side. So that's a potential idea. And if you trim the bamboo plants here a bit, this whole garden space will look even larger. So it's a great barbecue area, it's a great recreation space, so there's a lot you can do, especially if you have pets also and children. And on this area, you have access leading to the side of the house towards your service space, which we will explore later. And now let's head back in. From your lanai, patio, and main dining area, we now welcome you to your main kitchen space. The kitchen is generously spaced. You have an area here where you can have a small island if you'd like. The way it's structured is you'll have your stove over here, and this is where you'll have your range hood. It already has a kitchen branded microwave, and you have plenty of pantry space. And here are a few additional features. You also have stainless steel pull-out drawers here where you can store dishes. And you even have a nice area here for utensils. And here you have an access door leading to the side of the house, leading to a covered service area. This is one of the nicest service areas that I've seen because it already has a metal roof with an acrylic cover. So you also have a nice area here for drying clothes and where you can place your laundry and washing machine. And you have access here towards the back of the house, towards your garden. You also have a sink space here, which is good as a dirty kitchen space. And up here, you have access leading to your maid's quarters. So there's a bed space on the right side, and then there's a full room on the left. From the service area, let's head back in. Here's another perspective. You can see that from your kitchen area, you can appreciate how spacious and open your dining and living space is, especially with the windows open. It's really well ventilated and very breezy. And from here, let's now head on up to the second level where we have 4 rooms. Let's go. Welcome to the second floor of this home where we have 4 rooms and a spacious family hallway den. One of the things that I appreciated about this house is, in Tagalog, it's buhos talaga, meaning the whole property really took time in terms of how it was built from the foundations, and the walls are really solid. You can feel it even here. There's already no glass railing. This is already a cement barrier for the staircase leading downstairs. And your second floor den area is already a living room in itself. If you have guests or a function downstairs, your family can be relaxing up here with a large sala set, and you can have a large television set also on this area. And it's a great place for the family to gather in. And from here, let's now take a look at your master bedroom. Your master bedroom and all the bedrooms in the second level have this really nice engineered wood for its flooring. The tone is really warm and bright also, and it gives a very cozy and homey feel. And it's a great complement to the white walls. It's also spacious such that you can have a California king-sized bed here, and even have enough space for additional storage, a study area, and even a couch. And here you have your master bathroom and walk-in closet. So this area already has plenty of storage space. So one of the nice features here is the cabinets are easy to open. They're soft slide. So they're not like other cabinets that you probably experienced wherein they're very creaky. There. And on this side, you have your master bathroom. You already have a double vanity sink area, a shower space, and you even have nice indirect lighting for the mirrors also. Now let's head on out. This house really pays a lot of attention to details. One example is the master bedroom has more than enough outlets throughout every side of the room. And small details like this door stopper preserves the wall when you're opening it. Let's head on now. Right beside the master bedroom, we have the third bedroom. This is ideal if you have a small child or a family member that you need to be near you. It also already comes with built-in cabinetry. So what's nice is the cabinet has been built into the space of the room, so it's not sticking out. So you have a nice space where you can put your bed. And it also comes with its own bathroom. From your master bedroom and third bedroom, we're now going to take a look at the fourth and fifth bedrooms facing the west side of the property. On an additional note, you have a display area here where you can have a painting, and you have additional storage here, and you have a nice linen closet space here. And here you have your fourth bedroom. Your fourth bedroom already has a big closet space. It's a corner room. It's very well lit. It's facing the front of the house, so you can see the street from here. And on an additional note, this area of the village is very nice. All of the houses nearby are all brand new. And on this area, you also have your own bathroom. So once again, it comes with the vanity mirror that's lighted. Let's now head on over to the fifth room. So you can see that it's very well lit, and you have your fifth bathroom on this side. It isn't in the fifth room because it's designed to also serve as a guest bathroom for your guests if you have a party here reaching the second level then. And here, let's take a look at your fifth room. Your fifth room is also a corner room and almost identical in terms of size as the fourth room, and they're both facing the front of the house and the west side of the property. It has enough space for a large bed, and you have plenty of storage space again with the soft slide cabinetry. And that ends our quick property tour video of this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property, check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. If you want to know more about this property and book a property viewing, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also message us on Facebook and Instagram. And to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that little bell button to subscribe. Once again, my name is Bautista from metroguide.realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this solidly built, brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.